What if you could build an extra income stream in the UK without quitting your job? In 2026, thousands of people are making money through side hustles, using only their phone, laptop, or simple digital skills. And in this video, I'll show you the best beginner-friendly side hustles in the UK right now, including one method that can potentially grow into a full-time income. Welcome to Smart Finance UK, where we talk about investing, side hustles, and building financial freedom. If you want smarter money strategies in 2026, subscribe now and let's begin. The first side hustle is freelancing. This is one of the fastest ways beginners in the UK can start making money online. Skills like video editing, graphic design, AI content creation, social media management are in massive demand right now, and platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to work with clients worldwide. Next is YouTube automation. This business model is growing rapidly in 2026. You create videos using stock footage, AI voiceovers, scripts, simple editing. You don't need to show your face. Finance, business, luxury, and tech content are performing extremely well right now. Another smart side hustle is selling digital products. This includes ebooks, templates, finance planners, digital guides. The biggest advantage: you create it once, and it can continue generating income again and again. Print on demand is also becoming popular in the UK. You create simple designs for hoodies, mugs, t-shirts, and companies print and ship the products for you. You don't need inventory or a warehouse. Now let's talk about long-term wealth. Many people focus only on earning money, but investing is how wealth grows over time. In the UK, beginners are using stocks and shares ISA, ETFs, index funds to slowly build financial freedom. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying too many things at once. Choose one side hustle, stay consistent, improve your skills, and focus long-term. That's how real success happens. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to Smart Finance UK for more videos about investing, side hustles, and financial growth. And comment below, which side hustle would you start in 2026?